Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor coming to you from the Forest River studio. Today we're going to walk through a brand new camp floor plan, part of our Legend X series. This is the 27 camp. This floor plan is just over 33 feet and under 6,500 pounds. And just like the rest of our camp series models, it's got incredible value and the price point is unbelievable. Let's get into it. All right, we are out front, the brand new 27 camp floor plan, part of our Legend X series. Let's check out some of the top features up front here. You've got standard power tongue jack with the hitch light here. You've got dual propane standard with the cover, and you've got standard battery disconnect as well. Some other nice features here, you've got a nice 7-way holder here, and you've got a nice latch here for your safety chains, or it can be a pet leash latch, whatever you want to do there. On the other side here, you've got access to your pass-through storage, magnetic door catches. That's got a light inside as well. Aluminum bed base, but a really nice storage area here, goes all the way through to the other side. We've got a nice big awning on here as well with the LED light strip. 2 entryways on this 27 camp. You've got an entry into the bathroom and into the main living area. Both of them are going to have black glass entry doors, 26-inch doors, so really easy to get in there. You've also got standard Lippert solid steps on both entryways on this model. Unbelievable feature at this price point. A couple things I want to point out by the entryway here. You've got standard washer dryer prep on this unit inside the pantry. I'll show you that here in a second. And you've got superior construction on this unit. For this price point, I really want to make sure you guys understand the construction that you're getting. This is a stick and tin price, but you are getting welded aluminum structure. You're getting Asdale bonded walls. You're also getting a 2-inch aluminum floor with a direct force heated underbelly standard equipment on this unit. We've also got hot and cold exterior spray port, which is going to be standard equipment on this model as well. Let's check out the back here. We've got standard spare tire with the cover. We've also got standard backup camera prep and prep for Lippert's on-the-go ladder. You can easily get aftermarket. Really nice setup, goes all the way down to the ground and extends beyond the roof line of the trailer as well. Really making it easy to get on the roof to do your maintenance. We've got a PVC roof up there as well. Want to make sure you know that it's the best roof material on the market. All right, we are inside the brand new 27 camp, unbelievable bunkhouse floor plan. Let's talk about some of the top features. 82-inch ceiling height. You've got 6-foot tall slide outs, unbelievable kitchen and living area set up here, which we'll talk about in a minute. But you've got oversized double over double bunks here in the back, standard ladder as well. You've got privacy curtains here, which you don't often see at this price point. You've also got gas strut assisted access to this under bunk storage, which you don't typically see, but a really nice double over double setup here, corner bunk. You've got individual lights here, USB-Cs in each bunk area, and then a really nice corner bath here with the secondary access. Let's check out some of the top features in this bathroom. You've got nice counter space storage underneath, 4-speed high-power Furrion fan you're going to have in this unit. You are not going to find this feature in a lot of comparable models, so keep that in mind. Nice big shower as well with this skylight. But man, a ton of features going on in this 27 camp bathroom. All right, let's check out the features in this 27 camp kitchen and dinette area. You've got a huge kitchen here in the 27 camp. Big door side window here, really nice setup, but you've got a ton of storage in here, really nice overheads. You've got some under storage as well, nice big pull-out drawers. You've got a 3-burner cooktop here, really nice setup. You've also got the real wood cutting board, cut on it obviously, but this is gonna double as a sink cover. Really nice versatile feature there. And then you've got the standard microwave with air fryer here. So a really nice feature in this 27 camp. You've got a huge U-shaped dinette area here, but really nice off-door side windows here, giving you a look at the outdoors. This is gonna accommodate a large group of people. This is gonna sleep at least 4 people, but could sleep 6 with the oversized bunks. But man, you've got a huge seating area here, and this is gonna convert to a bed as well, a nice big sleeping space. Let's check out the refrigerator here and the entertainment area. You've got a standard 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator here from Furrion. It's got some great features, but a huge fridge for this price point. Really nice entertainment area here. You're gonna have a standard jackknife sofa. Again, this could convert to a sleeping space. So again, this could accommodate even more sleeping area if you need it to. You've got a really nice entertainment area here directly across from your sofa. And then we've got a walk-in pantry by the entryway here that's gonna have washer dryer prep in it. All right, let's check out the bedroom of this 27 camp. A really nice big walkway to the bedroom, but we've got some incredible storage going on inside this unit. Oversized wardrobes, really nice overhead storage as well. We've got drawers on either side, and you've got power and USB on both sides of the bed, and you've got storage underneath. So just a ton of overall storage in this bedroom, but a really nice setup. You've got a really nice cubby area as well, built-in cup holders. You've got power back there, but it really opens up that space and doesn't make it feel closed in. But man, just a beautiful bedroom setup here in the 27 camp. All right, before we head outside and wrap up, I want to mention one more feature we've got on this 27 camp, standard solar. You're going to have standard 100-watt solar on here with the 30-amp controller, but this 30-amp controller can handle up to about 600 watts of solar, so you can easily expand this setup. But again, you've got incredible value on this model. You've got standard 100-watt solar with the 30-amp controller and inverter prep. All right, thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the brand new 27 camp. Again, part of our camp series. That's part of the Legend X segment. For more information, you can go to our website at www.frsurveying.com/surveyor. Please follow us on social media as well. Thanks for joining me.